Good morning. It's Sunday morning in Valencia, and after people go to church, they come down to the big public market, which goes on here all day. So let's look around, see what's for sale here. Also, I need some water shoes. You know, I have a shoe problem from my whale shark swimming expedition a few days ago. I need to take care of that because I want to go to a waterfall later today.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Water shoes. I don't know.
Monster Burger Eating Challenge. Magpalista lang mo dito sa atong previous site ko mo, stall number 8 dito sa Subao.
It's coffee time. Okay. You always must remember to take a wee. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. No, thank you. No,
Same
thank you.
place. Malamig.
Yep, no, thank you. Thank you for walking around with me today. I hope you found it interesting. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. And if you don't like what you see, like and subscribe again. Take care.